Okay, so how to send videos on Discord mobile. So if I want to send to this user, we need to close the Discord application and make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now open up your phone's gallery, locate the video you want to send to your Discord user. So I want to send this one. And if you have the free version of Discord, we can send up to 8 megabytes. But if you have Discord Nitro, it's up to 100 megabytes. So I'm just going to go to this one, to the top right corner, click on Information. And here you can see that this one is 6.78 megabytes, so this is alright. Now go to this share icon. So just locate the share icon on your phone. Click on that. Alright. So down here we see some share options. So just click on Discord. So now we got this message preview. Now we can add a comment. And now we can search for the user we want to share to. So I'm gonna search for Andreas Waatz. And we will get these suggestions right here. Just click on the user. And now go up to the top right corner, click on this send icon. And now we have the video right here on Discord. Like that. So comment below if this worked for you, yes or no.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video solved your problem. Don't miss out on my latest video right here. Just click on this image. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.